Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL, American Airlines. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, very, very impressive move. I mean, when you think about the fact that actually, it was down here to begin, and then all of a sudden it worked its way all the way up there. So a very nice move, but that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And that all revolves around this area right here at 1275, the red line, which is where the first update needs to come into play. And this update is just based on a very basic rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And especially in this case, why is it so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, you want to see the price, well, you don't want to see the price go back to where it was, right? You want to see the price make progress. So in other words, let's say the price comes down here, behaving in this manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there. Well, hey, you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. That's fantastic. That is what a truly strong move would do. On the flip side, though, what happens if the price were to come down here and then just continue on down? Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, at this point, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And that's just not a sign of any sort of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So there's no doubt about it. Today, the price made a great move, but is this a start of something bigger? Is there some genuine strength behind it? Let's just see if the price can make progress by staying outside of this little channel pattern that it just broke out from. So keep an eye on 1275. That'll be a very helpful level going forward. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, next big level to watch moving forward, you're going to be right up there at 1360. So I'll keep a very close eye on that. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Very, very impressive and respectable move today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.